Ngesikhathi abanyuza kwabo besebenzela imindeni yabo, laba bona babukeka bekhululekile enkantolo. Kodwa babhekene namacala abucayi njengoba besolwa ngokuqola labo kumele ngabe bayabavikela. Ababili kubona ngo-constable. Owesithathu ngu-warrant officer ongakagagulwa njengoba kusamele avele phambi kwesigcawu sokukhonjwa phecelezi identity parade.
It is alleged that last week over the weekend, the 3 members visited a shop owned by a national foreigner in Kgaleshiwe. That is where they robbed him cash. I cannot definitely disclose the amount, but we acted swiftly because they were definitely arrested. When they did this, they were wearing full uniform in the full, public view.
Nakuba abanikazi bey'tolo abangabokufika eKimberley bethi sekujwayelekile ukuhlaselwa, amaphoyisa wona akholwa ukuthi lesigameko sehlukile kwezinye.
The team is there working tirelessly to check if are there any cases that they can be linked with. But at this stage, it's only robbery.
Isisulu sona sikholwa ukuthi maningi amacala afanayo asazovela.
December, another attack of just like this Europe and ran away. That people who go to the police station, you know the police name. I don't know why you don't know. We must go now. Or he doesn't know the name.
Abasolwa bazobuyela enkantolo ngenyanga ezokwethwasa.